Hello friends, welcome to my channel Network-tutor. Today we discuss on IPsec VPN configuration on Palo-ALto firewall. So in the Palo-ALto firewall, VPN configuration some complex than other vendor firewall. So VPN is provide a encryption facility on data traffic. This is our two firewall and both firewall is connected on the public address, and on the public address we need to pass our private network. So provide security, we provide security through the IPsec tunnel. IPsec tunnel will encrypt our data traffic and our complete IP packet. So this is a prerequisite of configuration. We know about the phase 1 and phase 2 configuration. For phase 1 configuration, we have the predefined key, we know about the pre-shared key. Same on the both hand side, we know about the encryption and authentication algorithm, and this method must be same on both end. We know about the DH group must same on both end, and DH group is the Diffie-Hellman group, and Diffie-Hellman group provide a session shared secret key, and lifetime value must also be same on the both end. We know about the public addresses of both sites, local site and remote site. We know about the interesting traffic, what traffic will be pass through this VPN tunnel. So for this we know about the LAN subnet pool or LAN IP. And in the phase 2 we also same thing, we know about interesting traffic, encryption, authentication and lifetime value. So this is the basic steps. Number 1, create IKE crypto profile, IKE gateway, create security zone for tunnel interface. This is the main thing. IPsec support only the tunnel interface, tunnel mode, and not support to the transport mode. Create a tunnel interface, create IPsec crypto profile, create IPsec tunnel, create policy and static route. This is something understanding on AH and ESP. The complete conclusion is that ESP is more secure than AH, and in the industry use only the ESP. Very few people, I think, industry using a AH. Now let's restart the configuration. I already configured on IPsec VPN, so I am showing you what the configuration process. So first of all, goes to the IKE gateway. In the IKE gateway, we configured their local IP address and the peer IP address pre-shared key. Advanced mode, exchange mode mentioned there. This is the man mode here, aggressive mode. Man mode is a more secure than aggressive mode. And IKE crypto profile, they mentioned. So I will show what is the IKE crypto profile. So IKE crypto profile mention the DH group, authentication algorithm, and encryption key. So there is a available there encryption key. I am using 3-, and authentication I am using SHA-256. DH group using the multiple user group, I am using the group 14 and 5. And this is the key lifetime value. Means key lifetime value, the VPN tunnel will be renegotiate after this period. and then go to the IPsec crypto. And in IPsec crypto I am using VMP2. This is a method I am asking for ESP and EH. So I am using ESP, encryption method 3 dash, authentication method SHA-256, availability there. I am choosing SHA-256. Group 2 mentioned in phase 2 means I am using PFS. PFS is a provide a security, is a more security, because PFS is a generate a shared secret key after every session. If any session is compromised, so then again PFS generate a session key after the negotiated session, so it's provide a more security. Lifetime value, okay, I'm using the lifetime value. I already told you that must be same on the both end, and then go to the IPsec tunnel. Before the IPsec tunnel, if you configure tunnel, go to the John, and we define the configuration of John. So like, okay, so VM Delhi type L3, because L3 packet, type L3, non-protection, no need to define there, none, and tunnel interface tunnel 4, because I already configured there tunnel 4, this one. Need to net flow none, and only configure their default router type, default security John VM Delhi. So I already configured in John VM Delhi. Okay, so we first of all go to John, then go to interface, and in the interface go to the tunnel, and in tunnel creating a tunnel. Okay, and in the new, when you configure new tunnel, so there is a need to configure the number only in the tunnel interface. Just I already configure 4, so tunnel.4 is I mentioned there 4, so it configured tunnel.4 and give their virtual router default and security zone. So I already configured previous security zone VM Delhi. Okay, so after that, this need to define policy. Policy is defined, local LAN to VPN, and then VPN interface to local LAN. Then go to the virtual router and define a routing for destination. Okay, give the destination subnet interface next hop none and metric, and then okay. So this is the configuration, and then after commit, don't forget to commit. Okay, so we see my, then go to IPsec tunnel, call the IK gateway phase 1, KVM Fiat, IPsec crypto profile, okay, tunnel interface, proxy ID. Proxy ID means define the interesting traffic. What traffic will you pass in this tunnel? So we define the local subnet and remote subnet, simply, just like access list, and tunnel is up. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for your patience, and keep watching my video, and please click on subscribe and bell icon.